Hey guys, and welcome back to Daily Courses. So today we are again continuing our HTML tutorial. Today we were talking about HTML lists. So first of all, let's come here and make the default template. So basically, let's close this. So for now, let's call this thing lists, and we have total of these three elements we have to know: unordered list, ordered list, and list itself. So what does that mean? Let's get started. So we have actually opened the website with live server. Okay, now let's you put in h2 element list and let's talk about it. Okay, we have this. So first category we have is unordered lists, which is basically lists without numbers, which is UL. You're gonna write UL and that opens the unordered list. Then this is autocomplete. I have a snippet. This let's go with this. Let's write apple, pill, lists, banana, and lists, cherry. So what happens over here is UL is unordered list. Then it has elements of lists inside it. So if we save it and we go to the website, as you can see, unordered lists. It's the same thing with ordered lists. So OL that will have these three elements as you can see. And let's see the difference. As you can see, unordered is just bullet points, while ordered is numbered. So the simple syntax is you open either unordered or ordered list, and you have list elements inside it. So for this one, we will say ordered list, so that you know. See, the difference is unordered and ordered. After that, lastly, we have nested ones. So we are going to say nested lists. What does that mean? That means that let's say we take this, we have three things, right? Now let's say, for example, rather than apple list this, we have fruits, vegetables, and other. Now we want to, inside each bullet point, we want to have sub bullet points. That's why we have nested lists. So what does that mean? That here we can open another unordered list that will have lists, apple, then we say lists, lemon, now let's say lists, orange. Here we can say lists here. Now here in veg we can say we have an ordered list again that has lists of cucumber, and here we can have unordered lists inside the main unordered list, which is this one. We'll have different unordered lists. So we have here we can say lists, and let's say chicken for example. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, this is main bullet point and this is nested bullet points, basically nested lists. So this is it. We have ordered, we have unordered, we have ordered, OL and UL, very simple, and these are nested. So this is what you get. So basically HTML is a simple yet effective way to organize content. Use unordered lists for bullet points, ordered lists for numbered items, and lists to represent hierarchical information. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something, and see you guys in the next one.